Hey guys, in today's video it will be us, mainly my husband, chopping down and removing some of the huge tree that is right up against our brick wall. We got to get rid of some of that weight on it because we do not want it to break off randomly and knock the brick wall down, because that would be an expensive fix. And I hope this gives you guys some motivation to clean up your outdoor area if it's nice out there. Here in Arizona, this is the time for us to clean up our areas so we don't have to do it in the hot summer months when it's unbearable to be outside. If you guys are new here, I am Amber. I am the mother of We Are the Westerners. We are a family of 5, 2 girls and a boy, and my husband is in the video here. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Like, comment, share. We love talking to you guys in the comments. So let's get to the video.
Take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest and to cry through the green in the spring. Let's go back a ways to the old bygone days and the simple time we lived back when. Well, let the pull of the plow bring the sweat from my brow, and the glow of the fire pull me home. Let me wind down my days in the sweet dusty haze. Take me back down the old dirt road. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me back down the old dirt road.
guys, thanks for watching. And again, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. And we'll see you on the next video.